Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the warranty status on your Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Alright, so first off we're going to need the IMEI, so go to the dial pad and dial *#06#. So you're gonna get the IMEI number here at the bottom, so just keep that number there ready because we're gonna need it, or write it down. So let's put the phone to the side. So you're gonna open up your web browser on your computer. Okay, so you're gonna go to consumer.huawei.com/us/support/warranty-query. Okay, and we're gonna have a link in the description down below where you can click on it and it will take you here. So in this website here, all we're gonna do is enter the IMEI number of the device right here. So let's go ahead and type that in. So I have the IMEI on this one here, so let's go ahead and type it in. Okay, once you have it completely typed in, go ahead and hit submit. And it's gonna give us the information here. It says warranty period information. So this one is the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, 6 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes. And here is the model. And here's the serial number. And here it gives us the warranty expiration date. So this one is gonna expire on May 17, 2019. And here it states the country that the warranty is applicable, United States. Alright, so here's the warranty date, the most important part. So this phone is under warranty until May of 2019. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick video on how to check the warranty status of your Huawei Mate 10 Pro. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.